In 1822, a stork was found in Germany with an African spear through its neck. This peculiar discovery puzzled scientists, leading to the realization that birds migrate vast distance. Before this, people believed birds hibernated underwater or transformed into other animals during winter. The stork, known as the Fjellstork, became a symbol of migration mysteries. How did these creatures navigate such long journeys without maps or compasses? This event sparked curiosity and research into avian navigation, revealing their reliance on stars, the sun, and Earth's magnetic field. Today, the Fjellstork is a reminder of nature's wonders and the endless quest for knowledge.